So hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Vernier Calliper which I bought from Banggood. So this is the Vernier Calliper which got delivered. It took around 15 to 20 days. And it's a very good thing if you are into some DIY or you like to make things and you want to take the measurements of cylindrical objects, then it is very important. So this is how the package looks like. I hope you will be able to see this. It says carbon fiber composites digital caliper. They have provided this LR44 AG13 battery. It's basically 1.5 volt alkaline button cell. It says made of extra strong carbon fiber composites, lightweight and durable. Big LCS display for easy resting. What resting? It should be reading. It's a typing mistake, I guess. So this is the LR44 battery. Let's see. So they have shared one extra battery with here, and here a battery is already placed. So let's place down that battery and accidentally dropped the cover. This is not fitting for some reason. I don't know why this is not fitting. Let's okay. Now I got successful in situating that cap on that mount. There is a button which changes the scale from millimeter to inch. So right now it is in inch mode, and this is now in millimeter mode. There is a button also there for off and on. Carbon fiber. It's made from carbon fiber composite, guys. Why it is not okay? So I have this 18650 batteries with me. Let's measure the diameter of them. So it's around 18.4. mm actually. It's a very good thing if you are into DIY projects and you like to make things and measurements are essential. So I bought from Banggood around 300 rupees, which is the fair price and a nice thing to have, which I bought in a group buy scheme. Group buy scheme is a great stuff if you want to buy things in a cheap price. And also what group buy does is you need to have another member with you who is buying the same product as you, and you both get discount around 50% discount in most of the cases on Banggood, which is a very nice thing. I have bought most of the things in the group buy scheme, so go definitely check out this product on Banggood. So the reason for buying this Vernier Calliper is I'm going to be doing a lot of do-it-yourself projects in the near future, and also this is a great tool to have to measure the diameter of the cylindrical objects. So this is how the product looks like. It says electronic digital caliper. So they have two scales on it. One is millimeter and the other one is the inch scale. And if you see, there are two buttons. This is for calibration of 0 and this is the on off button. So they have sold this Vernier caliper with the extra alkaline button cell battery. It is known as LR44. So this is how the spare battery. It's rated for 1.5 volt, and let's see the actual product now. So this is the on off button. So right now it is in the millimeter scale. If I press on inch button, then it will convert to inch scale, as you can see here. I'll get back to millimeter mode, and if you see, this is the area where you apply force and open the scale. As you can see, I'm moving away from this bar. It is measuring the distance in millimeter. So let's grab some 18650 batteries and let's measure the diameter of this Samsung 18650 battery. So this is how you have to put the cylindrical product, and it's showing around 18.3 millimeter, as you can see here. 18.4 actually. So pretty nice thing to have if you are doing some little projects where measurements are required. So I don't think the weight is really necessary for this scale, but just to get the information, I will measure it, and it is about 5.6 gram. No, it's a 56 gram, guys. So I recently bought this weighing scale too. It is of kitchen grade, and it measures around measures the weights under 2 kilograms. Let's put that aside. So pretty nice thing to have. I can show you the product in the Banggood app. Let me grab my phone, and this is how the product page looks like. So it's right now 613 Indian rupees, and if you see in the group buy, it is in 345 rupees. So I got this around 300 rupees, So it gets shipped from China, and if you see, there are 275 reviews for this. If you see the product details page, this is how the product details page looks like. It's a 100 mm electronic digital caliper. So that's all about it today. Instruments and these tools are required if you are going to build little things, and measurements are essential in that case. So a pretty nice thing to have. So that's all for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video.